マクトチャンネル。
Welcome to Lamakto channel. Let me tell you about this website Lonpa. It is a new SNS site. The website is useful for choosing the best opinion in a group of opinions. Guaranteed joining hands together when leaving this website. There are 4 reasons why I created this site. First, communication conflict reduces the quality of life. Everyone has their own perception. Differences of opinions occur everywhere, with family and friends, between countries, and in societies. Second, good understanding is always better. When differences happen, you can solve it through communication. Understanding each other accurately will give you the best result. If we fully understand each other, we can avoid confusion. But discovering differences requires a lot of communication and it consumes a lot of energy. Third, structured information is meaningful. During an argument, people can get confused. When a particular topic is discussed, another issue may arise and previous discussion may be forgotten. In such situation, the discussion cannot move forward. Structured information is helpful for understanding. By presenting opinions in an organized manner, while minutes are available, participants can easily understand the discussion and consume less energy. Fourth, current website, same things written many times. On modern website, anyone can post replies and leave comments, but information may not be organized. When you think about the conflict, you need to pay attention to it as a whole. But the same things written many times. It's difficult to get the full explanation of comments and replies. There is no site that can make structured information and display conflict. So I figured out how to deal with this concern and create a useful website to help organize the information. This will help us to move forward in any kind of situation. I will explain 3 steps how to resolve a conflict. Step 1. Understand opinions. Make clear what kind of opinions exist and how many people think that. Not only agree on the side, but we also have to know about disagree opinion. Step 2. Finding out a better way. Let's think about the conflict with each other. I guess there can be an opinion that can change in the mind, good way or compromise. It leads to better settling down. Step 3. Repeat. After the discussion, participants may change their minds. Let's discuss new opinions to better understand each other. Finally, the conflict will be resolved. This website, Lonpa, can do these processes. It means that conflict can easily to reject and under argument, you use less energy. This site might come in handy and people from all over the world can share their points of view. I'm confident that it will bring results. Let me introduce the 4 features of the site. First, minutes. Articles can be created by multiple people at the same time. Anyone can share or exchange their opinions, and the article becomes a minute. Second, vote. Only 1 vote is allowed per person. You can vote for the opinions you agree with. The voting feature helps prevent the posting of duplicate content. Sharing opinions does matter, but at the same time, avoiding the list of cliches could create the exact value of your opinions. Just vote on the best solution which you prefer the most. Tree structure. If you have any unique opinion that others haven't written, you should write it. When you write an opinion, you have a choice whether to agree or disagree. This way, people will have the freedom to leave whatever opinion they have on the issue. And you can write your own opinion. You can write your own opinion about an opinion. And you can write your own opinion about an opinion of an opinion. Yeah. It gives an opinion in an organized manner, like in tree structure. Fourth, visualize the polls. Polls are visualized and made easier to understand. For example, the number of votes is displayed, and the cracks are displayed according to the opposite number, and so on. This site can help people in finding solutions for everyone. This makes it easier and more effective to bring in new ideas. New visions are organized with the public's opinion and thoughts. Let's share our opinions and respect your views on this site. We can accomplish great things if we all work together. Thank you for listening. Please use my site. See you next video. Bye!